Hi guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Anand. We will learn what is a cryptocurrency, how does it work, and few examples of cryptocurrencies. Before starting this video, I am telling you I am not a financial advisor. I make videos only for education and entertainment purpose. Okay, let us see what is a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transaction. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments. Instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as a digital entries to an online database describing specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Cryptocurrency received its name because it uses encryption to verify transaction. This means advanced coding is involved in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between wallets and to public ledgers. The aim of encryption is to provide security and safety. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was founded in 2009 and remains the best known today. Much of the interest in cryptocurrencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. If you own a cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or unit of measure from one person to another without a trusted third party. Although Bitcoin has been around since 2009, cryptocurrencies and applications of blockchain technology are still emerging in financial terms, and more users are expected in the future. Transactions, including bonds, stocks, and other financial assets, could eventually be traded using the technology. Here, we will see some examples of cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. Some of the best known are Bitcoin. Bitcoin was founded in 2009. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded cryptocurrency. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Ethereum. Ethereum was developed in 2015. Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. And then Litecoin. This cryptocurrency is more similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it has worked with various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are collectively known as altcoin to distinguish them from the original. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you and have a good day.